Have you ever walked into a home and felt amazed without even knowing why? The secret is modern design. Today I'm going to show you how to create that same stunning vibe in your own space. And trust me, once you see these tips, you'll never look at your home the same way again. Hello friends, I'm Dawood. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever walked into a home and felt that the space was very traditional and classic, full of decorations, clutter, and colors that no longer really fit modern lifestyles? Today I want to show you how you can transform that classic space into a contemporary modern design with smart, thoughtful changes. This means combining the clean, minimal lines of modern design with the warmth and comfort of a contemporary style. In this video, we'll go step by step, from choosing colors and flooring to furniture, decor, and lighting. By the end, I promise your perspective on interior design will completely change, and you'll get amazing ideas for your own home. Every interior design project starts with a mood board. A mood board is like a roadmap. It shows all the design elements in one place, from colors to textures and materials. For this project, we chose white, gray, beige, taupe, and black. Why? Because these are neutral colors that create a sense of calm and balance, while allowing key elements like furniture or accessories to stand out. White and gray give a clean, modern feel. Beige adds warmth and coziness, and black creates contrast and visual depth. Imagine a simple white wall with a large black painting or a light beige sofa on a gray rug, all perfectly coordinated, minimal, yet stylish. One of the most important decisions in interior design is choosing the flooring, because it's the first thing that naturally catches your eye when you enter a home. There are three main options: wood, laminate, and LVP. Natural wood is always amazing, classic, warm, and luxurious, but it comes with high costs and requires a lot of maintenance. Laminate is more affordable and comes in a wide variety, but it's vulnerable to moisture. Finally, LVP, or luxury vinyl plank, is a smart solution. It looks like natural wood, is resistant to water and scratches, and comes at a reasonable price. For this project, we chose vintage oak LVP. Why? Because it delivers the same natural and authentic wood feel without the hassles of real wood. In other words, it gives you beautiful appearance, plus durability, plus cost-effectiveness. When we think about contemporary modern design, furniture is the first thing that needs a makeover. In classic style, furniture is usually very detailed, with intricate patterns and complex shapes. But in contemporary modern design, everything becomes simple, functional, and linear. Here we opted for low-profile sofas, as they make the ceilings feel taller and the space more open. We chose a simple round coffee table that is both functional and safer for a family-friendly environment. Multifunctional furniture is also very important. For example, a coffee table with hidden storage or a sofa bed. These pieces not only look stylish, but are also incredibly practical for modern living. The result? A minimal yet fully functional space. Now let's talk about decor, the elements that give a space its true personality. In contemporary modern design, the main philosophy is less is more. Instead of cluttering a room with dozens of small items, we focus on a few key statement pieces. For example, a large abstract painting on the wall, a modern mirror with a simple metal frame, or a minimalist chandelier. These can all become focal points in the space. We also shouldn't forget natural plants, as they bring color, life, and visual balance. Imagine a simple gray sofa with bright green cushions or a leafy plant by the window. Suddenly, the space feels fresh and inviting. The key is to always keep the space clean and organized so that each decorative item truly stands out. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next videos. Now it's time to see how these changes look across different areas of the home. Let's go step by step. Family room, vintage oak, LVP flooring, Low-profile sofa, round coffee table, and a modern electric fireplace. A combination that brings warmth, simplicity, and modernity together. Kitchen. Modern wooden cabinets, glossy marble countertop, and pendant lights above the island. The result? A bright, functional, and stylish space. Dining area, a slatted wooden accent wall, simple rectangular table, and a minimalist pendant light. This combination makes the dining area feel cozier and more modern. Second floor lounge, L-shaped sofa, a simple rug, and a few natural plants. The dark wood accent wall makes this space feel special and warm. Bedroom, simple yet stylish. Wood-paneled wall, minimalist bed, modern pendant lights, and two black and white abstract paintings. This combination brings both calmness and beauty. As you can see, transforming a classic home into a contemporary modern style doesn't require a complete renovation or huge expenses. You just need to choose colors wisely, replace the flooring, bring in simple and functional furniture, and add a few statement decor pieces. These simple changes can create a completely new and modern space. Now it's your turn. Which area do you think changed the most and stands out the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next videos. In the next video, we'll explore another style and compare which one works better. So stay tuned.